Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this video, I will guide you on how to log in Instagram account. So if you also want to log in Instagram account, this video is just for you. Follow these simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So logging into your Instagram account is actually very simple. So Instagram is a social media application or platform that allows the users to share photos and videos. It is available on iOS, Android, Windows, etc. So if you also want to log into your Instagram account, for that, first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now simply click on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is type in instagram.com, press enter. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be led to the official website of Instagram. From here, you'll be able to log in to your account. If you do not have an account, you can also sign up for your account. For that, simply click on the sign up option. After that, you'll be able to sign up for the new Instagram account. But if you want to log into your account, you'll be able to directly log into your account by simply entering the credentials. Or you can also log in with Facebook if you want. If you want to log in with Facebook, click on the option log in with Facebook. After that, you'll be able to log in with Facebook. But if you want to log into your Instagram account by providing the credentials, for that, first of all, what you have to do is enter your phone number, username or email. Simply click on the field of phone number, username or email over here. After that, what you have to do is enter your phone number, username or email. Here I'm just going to enter my email. Now after that, what you have to do is enter your password. Simply click on the field of password. Now after that, enter your password over here. If you have forgotten your password, click on the option forget password. After that, you'll be able to reset it. After you've entered all the credentials, what you have to do is click on the login option that you can see on the screen. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Instagram account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.